A 1B1 vocabulary. 100 essential finance English words with shadowing examples. 100 words. Clear pronunciation. Practical examples. Listen. Read. Repeat. A1 level. Noun. The word is money. Pronunciation, money. Meaning, what people use to buy goods and services. Money. Example sentence. I need some money for lunch. Money. Example sentence. She saves money every month. Money. Example sentence. Money can help you reach your goals. Listen and repeat. Money. Again. Money. Say it aloud twice. A1 level. Noun. The word is cash. Pronunciation, cash. Meaning, money in the form of coins or banknotes. Cash. Example sentence. Do you want to pay in cash? Cash. Example sentence. I do not carry much cash. Cash. Example sentence. The shop accepts cash and cards. Listen and repeat. Cash. Again. Cash. Say it aloud twice. A1 level. Noun. The word is bank. Pronunciation, bank. Meaning, an organization that keeps and manages money. Bank. Example sentence. I am going to the bank. Bank. Example sentence. The bank opens at 9. Bank. Example sentence. She works for a large bank. Listen and repeat. Bank. Again. Bank. Say it aloud twice. A1 level. Noun. The word is account. Pronunciation, account. Meaning, a record used by a bank to hold and manage money. Account. Example sentence. I opened a new bank account. Account. Example sentence. Please check your account balance. Account. Example sentence. My salary goes into this account. Listen and repeat. Account. Again. Account. Say it aloud twice. A1 level. Noun. The word is card. Pronunciation, card. Meaning, a plastic card used to pay or get money. Card. Example sentence. Can I pay by card? Card. Example sentence. My bank card is in my wallet. Card. Example sentence. He used his card at the supermarket. Listen and repeat. Card. Again. Card. Say it aloud twice. A one level. Verb. The word is pay. Pronunciation, pay. Meaning, to give money for something. Pay. Example sentence. I need to pay the bill. Pay. Example sentence. She pays her rent online. Pay. Example sentence. We paid for the tickets yesterday. Listen and repeat. Pay. Again. Pay. Say it aloud twice. A one level. Verb. The word is buy. Pronunciation, buy. Meaning, to get something by paying money. Buy. Example sentence. I want to buy a new phone. Buy. Example sentence. They buy groceries every week. Buy. Example sentence. Do not buy things you do not need. Listen and repeat. Buy. Again. Buy. Say it aloud twice. A one level. Verb. The word is sell. Pronunciation, sell. Meaning, to give something to someone for money. Sell. Example sentence. They sell clothes online. Sell. Example sentence. He wants to sell his old car. Sell. Example sentence. The company sells products worldwide. Listen and repeat. Sell. Again. Sell. Say it aloud twice. A one level. Noun. The word is price. Pronunciation, price. Meaning, the amount of money needed to buy something. Price. Example sentence. What is the price of this bag? Price. Example sentence. The price is too high. Price. Example sentence. Prices usually rise during inflation. Listen and repeat. Price. Again. Price. Say it aloud twice. A one level. Noun. The word is cost. Pronunciation, cost. Meaning, the amount paid or needed for something. Cost. Example sentence. The total cost is $50. Cost. Example sentence. Energy costs are rising. Cost. Example sentence. We need to reduce production costs. Listen and repeat. Cost. Again. Cost. Say it aloud twice. Quick quiz number 1. Which word matches this meaning? Money in the form of coins or banknotes. A. Money. B. Cash. C. Bank. You have 4 seconds. Choose your answer. Quick quiz number 1. Answer. The correct answer is B. Cash. Meaning, money in the form of coins or banknotes. A one level. Adjective. The word is cheap. Pronunciation, cheap. Meaning, costing little money. Cheap. Example sentence. This shirt is very cheap. Cheap. Example sentence. Cheap products are not always bad. Cheap. Example sentence. We found a cheap hotel. Listen and repeat. Cheap. Again. Cheap. Say it aloud twice. A one level. Adjective. The word is expensive. Pronunciation, expensive. Meaning, costing a lot of money. Expensive. Example sentence. That car is too expensive. Expensive. Example sentence. Living in the city can be expensive. Expensive. Example sentence. The company bought expensive equipment. Listen and repeat. Expensive. Again. Expensive. Say it aloud twice. A one level. Verb. The word is save. Pronunciation, save. Meaning, to keep money for future use. Save. Example sentence. I save part of my salary. Save. Example sentence. She is saving for a holiday. Save. Example sentence. Saving regularly builds good habits. Listen and repeat. Save. Again. Save. Say it aloud twice. A one level. Verb. The word is spend. Pronunciation, spend. Meaning, to use money to buy or pay for something. Spend. Example sentence. I spend too much on coffee. Spend. Example sentence. They spent money on new equipment. Spend. Example sentence. Try to spend less than you earn. Listen and repeat. Spend. Again. Spend. Say it aloud twice. A one level. Verb. The word is earn. Pronunciation, earn. Meaning, to receive money for work or business. Earn. Example sentence. How much do you earn? Earn. Example sentence. She earns money from her online shop. Earn. Example sentence. The investment earned a small return. Listen and repeat. Earn. Again. Earn. Say it aloud twice. A one level. Noun. The word is salary. Pronunciation, salary. Meaning, a fixed amount of money paid regularly for work. Salary. Example sentence. My salary is paid monthly. Salary. Example sentence. She asked for a higher salary. Salary. Example sentence. His salary covers all basic expenses. Listen and repeat. Salary. Again. Salary. Say it aloud twice. A two level. Noun. The word is income. Pronunciation, income. Meaning, money received from work, business, or investments. Income. Example sentence. My main income comes from my job. Income. Example sentence. The family has two sources of income. Income. Example sentence. Rental income increased this year. Listen and repeat. Income. Again. Income. Say it aloud twice. A two-level. Noun. The word is expense. Pronunciation, expense. Meaning, money spent on something. Expense. Example sentence. Rent is my biggest expense. Expense. Example sentence. Travel expenses were higher this month. Expense. Example sentence. The company records every expense. Listen and repeat. Expense. Again. Expense. Say it aloud twice. A two-level. Noun. The word is budget. Pronunciation, budget. Meaning, a plan for how money will be earned and spent. Budget. Example sentence. I make a monthly budget. Budget. Example sentence. The project is within budget. Budget. Example sentence. A clear budget helps control spending. Listen and repeat. Budget. Again. Budget. Say it aloud twice. A one-level. Noun. The word is bill. Pronunciation, bill. Meaning, a document showing how much money must be paid. Bill. Example sentence. The electricity bill arrived today. Bill. Example sentence. Can we have the bill, please? Bill. Example sentence. I pay my bills online. Listen and repeat. Bill. Again. Bill. Say it aloud twice. Quick quiz number 2. Which word matches this meaning? To keep money for future use. A. Save. B. Expensive. C. Cheap. You have 4 seconds. Choose your answer. Quick quiz number 2. Answer. The correct answer is A. Save. Meaning, to keep money for future use. A one-level. Noun. The word is rent. Pronunciation, rent. Meaning, money paid regularly to use a house or other property. Rent. Example sentence. My rent is due tomorrow. Rent. Example sentence. They pay high rent in the city. Rent. Example sentence. The shop rent increased this year. Listen and repeat. Rent. Again. Rent. Say it aloud twice. A two-level. Noun. The word is tax. Pronunciation, tax. Meaning, money paid to the government. Tax. Example sentence. We pay tax on our income. Tax. Example sentence. The price includes tax. Tax. Example sentence. The company filed its tax return. Listen and repeat. Tax. Again. Tax. Say it aloud twice. A two-level. Noun. The word is fee. Pronunciation, fee. Meaning, money charged for a service. Fee. Example sentence. The bank charges a monthly fee. Fee. Example sentence. There is no delivery fee. Fee. Example sentence. We paid a legal fee. Listen and repeat. Fee. Again. Fee. Say it aloud twice. A one-level. Noun. The word is tip. Pronunciation, tip. Meaning, extra money given for good service. Tip. Example sentence. We left a tip for the waiter. Tip. Example sentence. The bill does not include the tip. Tip. Example sentence. She usually gives a 10% tip. Listen and repeat. Tip. Again. Tip. Say it aloud twice. A one-level. Noun. The word is change. Pronunciation, change. Meaning, money returned after paying more than the price. Change. Example sentence. Keep the change. Change. Example sentence. The cashier gave me the wrong change. Change. Example sentence. Do you have any small change? Listen and repeat. Change. Again. Change. Say it aloud twice. A one level. Noun. The word is coin. Pronunciation, coin. Meaning, a small round piece of metal used as money. Coin. Example sentence. I found a coin on the floor. Coin. Example sentence. Put the coins in the jar. Coin. Example sentence. This machine only accepts coins. Listen and repeat. Coin. Again. Coin. Say it aloud twice. A one level. Noun. The word is note. Pronunciation, note. Meaning, a piece of paper money. Note. Example sentence. I have a 20-pound note. Note. Example sentence. The cashier checked the note. Note. Example sentence. He gave me 2 banknotes. Listen and repeat. Note. Again. Note. Say it aloud twice. A one level. Noun. The word is wallet. Pronunciation, wallet. Meaning, a small case for money and cards. Wallet. Example sentence. My wallet is in my bag. Wallet. Example sentence. He lost his wallet yesterday. Wallet. Example sentence. I keep my cards in this wallet. Listen and repeat. Wallet. Again. Wallet. Say it aloud twice. A two level. Noun. The word is balance. Pronunciation, balance. Meaning, the amount of money currently in an account. Balance. Example sentence. What is my account balance? Balance. Example sentence. Your balance is shown on the screen. Balance. Example sentence. I check my balance every morning. Listen and repeat. Balance. Again. Balance. Say it aloud twice. A two level. Noun. The word is deposit. Pronunciation, deposit. Meaning, money put into a bank account. Deposit. Example sentence. I made a cash deposit. Deposit. Example sentence. The deposit will appear tomorrow. Deposit. Example sentence. You need a deposit to rent the flat. Listen and repeat. Deposit. Again. Deposit. Say it aloud twice. Quick quiz number 3. Which word matches this meaning? Money paid to the government. A. Rent. B. Fee. C. A tax. You have 4 seconds. Choose your answer. Quick quiz number 3. Answer. The correct answer is C. Tax. Meaning, money paid to the government. A 2-level. Verb. The word is withdraw. Pronunciation, withdraw. Meaning, to take money out of a bank account. Withdraw. Example sentence. I need to withdraw some cash. Withdraw. Example sentence. She withdrew money from an ATM. Withdraw. Example sentence. You can withdraw up to $500. Listen and repeat. Withdraw. Again. Withdraw. Say it aloud twice. A 2-level. Verb. The word is transfer. Pronunciation, transfer. Meaning, to move money from one account to another. Transfer. Example sentence. I will transfer the money today. Transfer. Example sentence. The bank transfer took 1 day. Transfer. Example sentence. Please transfer the payment to this account. Listen and repeat. Transfer. Again. Transfer. Say it aloud twice. A 2-level. Noun. The word is payment. Pronunciation, payment. Meaning, money given for goods, services, or a debt. Payment. Example sentence. Your payment was successful. Payment. Example sentence. The next payment is due on Friday. Payment. Example sentence. We received the customer payment. Listen and repeat. Payment. Again. Payment. Say it aloud twice. A two-level. Noun. The word is receipt. Pronunciation, receipt. Meaning, a document proving that money was paid. Receipt. Example sentence. Keep the receipt for your records. Receipt. Example sentence. Can I get a receipt, please? Receipt. Example sentence. The receipt shows the total amount. Listen and repeat. Receipt. Again. Receipt. Say it aloud twice. A two-level. Noun. The word is invoice. Pronunciation, invoice. Meaning, a document asking a customer to pay for goods or services. Invoice. Example sentence. We sent the invoice yesterday. Invoice. Example sentence. The invoice is due next week. Invoice. Example sentence. Please check the invoice number. Listen and repeat. Invoice. Again. Invoice. Say it aloud twice. A two-level. Noun. The word is order. Pronunciation, order. Meaning, a request to buy goods or services. Order. Example sentence. The customer placed a large order. Order. Example sentence. Your order is ready. Order. Example sentence. We received 3 new orders today. Listen and repeat. Order. Again. Order. Say it aloud twice. A one-level. Noun. The word is customer. Pronunciation, customer. Meaning, a person or company that buys goods or services. Customer. Example sentence. The customer paid by card. Customer. Example sentence. We listen to our customers. Customer. Example sentence. A happy customer may return. Listen and repeat. Customer. Again. Customer. Say it aloud twice. A two-level. Noun. The word is market. Pronunciation, market. Meaning, a place or system where goods, services, or investments are traded. Market. Example sentence. The housing market is growing. Market. Example sentence. They sell their products in the European market. Market. Example sentence. The stock market fell today. Listen and repeat. Market. Again. Market. Say it aloud twice. A one-level. Noun. The word is business. Pronunciation, business. Meaning, an organization or activity that sells goods or services. Business. Example sentence. She started a small business. Business. Example sentence. The business made a profit. Business. Example sentence. Good service helps a business grow. Listen and repeat. Business. Again. Business. Say it aloud twice. A one-level. Noun. The word is company. Pronunciation, company. Meaning, an organization that produces or sells goods or services. Company. Example sentence. He works for a software company. Company. Example sentence. The company hired new employees. Company. Example sentence. Our company exports textiles. Listen and repeat. Company. Again. Company. Say it aloud twice. Quick quiz number 4. Which word matches this meaning? Money given for goods, services, or a debt. A. Transfer. B. Withdraw. C. A payment. You have 4 seconds. Choose your answer. Quick quiz number 4. Answer. The correct answer is C. Payment. Meaning, money given for goods, services, or a debt. A one-level. Noun. The word is product. Pronunciation, product. Meaning, something made or offered for sale. Product. Example sentence. This product is very popular. Product. Example sentence. The company launched a new product. Product. Example sentence. We need to improve product quality. Listen and repeat. Product. Again. Product. Say it aloud twice. A1 level. Noun. The word is service. Pronunciation, service. Meaning, work done to help a customer. Service. Example sentence. The hotel provides excellent service. Service. Example sentence. This service costs $10 a month. Service. Example sentence. Customer service answered my question. Listen and repeat. Service. Again. Service. Say it aloud twice. A1 level. Noun. The word is sale. Pronunciation, sale. Meaning, the act of selling something or a period of reduced prices. Sale. Example sentence. The store made a sale. Sale. Example sentence. These shoes are on sale. Sale. Example sentence. Online sales increased last month. Listen and repeat. Sale. Again. Sale. Say it aloud twice. A2 level. Noun. The word is profit. Pronunciation, profit. Meaning, money left after all costs are paid. Profit. Example sentence. The company made a profit. Profit. Example sentence. Higher sales can increase profit. Profit. Example sentence. We invested the profit back into the business. Listen and repeat. Profit. Again. Profit. Say it aloud twice. A2 level. Noun. The word is loss. Pronunciation, loss. Meaning, money lost when costs are greater than income. Loss. Example sentence. The business reported a loss. Loss. Example sentence. We must reduce the risk of loss. Loss. Example sentence. The investment ended with a small loss. Listen and repeat. Loss. Again. Loss. Say it aloud twice. B1 level. Noun. The word is revenue. Pronunciation, revenue. Meaning, the total money a business receives from sales. Revenue. Example sentence. Revenue increased by 10%. Revenue. Example sentence. The company has several revenue sources. Revenue. Example sentence. Strong demand helped boost revenue. Listen and repeat. Revenue. Again. Revenue. Say it aloud twice. A two-level. Noun. The word is sales. Pronunciation, sales. Meaning, the amount or activity of selling goods or services. Sales. Example sentence. Sales were strong this quarter. Sales. Example sentence. The sales team reached its target. Sales. Example sentence. Online sales continue to grow. Listen and repeat. Sales. Again. Sales. Say it aloud twice. A two-level. Noun. The word is growth. Pronunciation, growth. Meaning, an increase in size, amount, or value. Growth. Example sentence. The company expects steady growth. Growth. Example sentence. Economic growth slowed this year. Growth. Example sentence. Sales growth was higher than expected. Listen and repeat. Growth. Again. Growth. Say it aloud twice. A two-level. Noun. The word is debt. Pronunciation, debt. Meaning, money that is owed to another person or organization. Debt. Example sentence. He is trying to pay off his debt. Debt. Example sentence. The company has too much debt. Debt. Example sentence. Credit card debt can be expensive. Listen and repeat. Debt. Again. Debt. Say it aloud twice. A two-level. Noun. The word is loan. Pronunciation, loan. Meaning, money borrowed and usually paid back with interest. Loan. Example sentence. They applied for a home loan. Loan. Example sentence. The bank approved the loan. Loan. Example sentence. I repay the loan every month. Listen and repeat. Loan. Again. Loan. Say it aloud twice. Quick quiz number 5. Which word matches this meaning? Money left after all costs are paid. A. Service. B. Product. C. Profit. You have 4 seconds. Choose your answer. Quick quiz number 5. Answer. The correct answer is C. Profit. Meaning, money left after all costs are paid. A 2-level. Noun. The word is credit. Pronunciation, credit. Meaning, the ability to borrow money or pay later. Credit. Example sentence. She bought the laptop on credit. Credit. Example sentence. A good credit history is important. Credit. Example sentence. The bank increased his credit limit. Listen and repeat. Credit. Again. Credit. Say it aloud twice. A 2-level. Noun. The word is interest. Pronunciation, interest. Meaning, money paid for borrowing or earned from saving. Interest. Example sentence. The loan has a low interest rate. Interest. Example sentence. My savings earn interest. Interest. Example sentence. Higher interest makes borrowing more expensive. Listen and repeat. Interest. Again. Interest. Say it aloud twice. A 2-level. Noun. The word is rate. Pronunciation, rate. Meaning, a fixed level, amount, or percentage. Rate. Example sentence. The interest rate is 5%. Rate. Example sentence. The exchange rate changed today. Rate. Example sentence. Our hourly rate increased. Listen and repeat. Rate. Again. Rate. Say it aloud twice. A 2-level. Verb. The word is borrow. Pronunciation, borrow. Meaning, to take money and promise to return it. Borrow. Example sentence. I need to borrow some money. Borrow. Example sentence. They borrowed from the bank. Borrow. Example sentence. Do not borrow more than you can repay. Listen and repeat. Borrow. Again. Borrow. Say it aloud twice. A two-level verb. The word is lend. Pronunciation, lend. Meaning, to give money that must be returned. Lend. Example sentence. Can you lend me $20? Lend. Example sentence. Banks lend money to businesses. Lend. Example sentence. She refused to lend him more money. Listen and repeat. Lend. Again. Lend. Say it aloud twice. A two-level verb. The word is owe. Pronunciation, owe. Meaning, to have to pay money back. Owe. Example sentence. I owe the bank $5,000. Owe. Example sentence. How much do I owe you? Owe. Example sentence. The customer still owes us money. Listen and repeat. Owe. Again. Owe. Say it aloud twice. A two-level verb. The word is repay. Pronunciation, repay. Meaning, to pay back borrowed money. Repay. Example sentence. I repay the loan every month. Repay. Example sentence. She repaid her debt early. Repay. Example sentence. The company must repay the bond in 5 years. Listen and repeat. Repay. Again. Repay. Say it aloud twice. A two-level noun. The word is risk. Pronunciation, risk. Meaning, the possibility of losing money or facing harm. Risk. Example sentence. Every investment has some risk. Risk. Example sentence. We need to manage financial risk. Risk. Example sentence. A diverse portfolio can reduce risk. Listen and repeat. Risk. Again. Risk. Say it aloud twice. A two-level. Noun. The word is return. Pronunciation, return. Meaning, the profit or loss from an investment. Return. Example sentence. The investment produced a good return. Return. Example sentence. Higher returns often involve higher risk. Return. Example sentence. We expect a 5% annual return. Listen and repeat. Return. Again. Return. Say it aloud twice. A two-level. Verb. The word is invest. Pronunciation, invest. Meaning, to put money into something to gain profit later. Invest. Example sentence. I invest a little every month. Invest. Example sentence. The company will invest in new technology. Invest. Example sentence. She invested in an index fund. Listen and repeat. Invest. Again. Invest. Say it aloud twice. Quick quiz number 6. Which word matches this meaning? To have to pay money back. A. Credit. B. Owe. C. Interest. You have 4 seconds. Choose your answer. Quick quiz number 6. Answer. The correct answer is B. Owe. Meaning, to have to pay money back. A two-level. Noun. The word is investment. Pronunciation, investment. Meaning, money or an asset used to earn future income or profit. Investment. Example sentence. This property is a long-term investment. Investment. Example sentence. The investment increased in value. Investment. Example sentence. We reviewed all our investments. Listen and repeat. Investment. Again. Investment. Say it aloud twice. A two-level. Noun. The word is investor. Pronunciation, investor. Meaning, a person or organization that invests money. Investor. Example sentence. The investor bought more shares. Investor. Example sentence. Investors are watching the market closely. Investor. Example sentence. A patient investor thinks long-term. Listen and repeat. Investor. Again. Investor. Say it aloud twice. A two-level. Noun. The word is stock. Pronunciation, stock. Meaning, a share of ownership in a company. Stock. Example sentence. I bought stock in a technology company. Stock. Example sentence. The stock price rose today. Stock. Example sentence. Stocks can be volatile. Listen and repeat. Stock. Again. Stock. Say it aloud twice. A two-level. Noun. The word is share. Pronunciation, share. Meaning, one unit of ownership in a company. Share. Example sentence. She owns 100 shares. Share. Example sentence. The company issued new shares. Share. Example sentence. Each share gives the investor partial ownership. Listen and repeat. Share. Again. Share. Say it aloud twice. B1 level. Noun. The word is bond. Pronunciation, bond. Meaning, an investment that represents money lent to a government or company. Bond. Example sentence. Government bonds are usually less volatile. Bond. Example sentence. The bond pays interest twice a year. Bond. Example sentence. They added bonds to the portfolio. Listen and repeat. Bond. Again. Bond. Say it aloud twice. A two-level. Noun. The word is fund. Pronunciation, fund. Meaning, money collected and managed for a particular purpose or investment. Fund. Example sentence. I invest in an index fund. Fund. Example sentence. The emergency fund covers 3 months of expenses. Fund. Example sentence. The company created a training fund. Listen and repeat. Fund. Again. Fund. Say it aloud twice. B1 level. Noun. The word is portfolio. Pronunciation, portfolio. Meaning, a collection of investments owned by a person or organization. Portfolio. Example sentence. My portfolio includes stocks and bonds. Portfolio. Example sentence. She checks her portfolio every week. Portfolio. Example sentence. A balanced portfolio can reduce risk. Listen and repeat. Portfolio. Again. Portfolio. Say it aloud twice. B1 level. Noun. The word is dividend. Pronunciation, dividend. Meaning, part of a company's profit paid to shareholders. Dividend. Example sentence. The company pays a quarterly dividend. Dividend. Example sentence. I reinvest my dividends. Dividend. Example sentence. The dividend increased this year. Listen and repeat. Dividend. Again. Dividend. Say it aloud twice. B1 level. Noun. The word is asset. Pronunciation, asset. Meaning, something valuable that a person or company owns. Asset. Example sentence. A house can be an asset. Asset. Example sentence. Cash is a liquid asset. Asset. Example sentence. The company sold an unused asset. Listen and repeat. Asset. Again. Asset. Say it aloud twice. B1 level. Noun. The word is liability. Pronunciation, liability. Meaning, money or an obligation that a person or company owes. Liability. Example sentence. A bank loan is a liability. Liability. Example sentence. The company reduced its liabilities. Liability. Example sentence. Assets should be compared with liabilities. Listen and repeat. Liability. Again. Liability. Say it aloud twice. Quick quiz number 7. Which word matches this meaning? Money collected and managed for a particular purpose or investment. A. Investor. B. Investment. C. Fund. You have 4 seconds. Choose your answer. Quick quiz number 7. Answer. The correct answer is C. Fund. Meaning, money collected and managed for a particular purpose or investment. B1 level. Noun. The word is capital. Pronunciation, capital. Meaning, money or resources used to start or grow a business. Capital. Example sentence. The business needs more capital. Capital. Example sentence. They raised capital from investors. Capital. Example sentence. Working capital supports daily operations. Listen and repeat. Capital. Again. Capital. Say it aloud twice. B1 level. Noun. The word is equity. Pronunciation, equity. Meaning, the value owned after debts are subtracted, or ownership in a company. Equity. Example sentence. The owners increased their equity. Equity. Example sentence. Home equity grew as the loan decreased. Equity. Example sentence. Investors provided equity capital. Listen and repeat. Equity. Again. Equity. Say it aloud twice. A2 level. Noun. The word is value. Pronunciation, value. Meaning, the amount something is worth. Value. Example sentence. The value of the house increased. Value. Example sentence. This product offers good value. Value. Example sentence. Market value can change quickly. Listen and repeat. Value. Again. Value. Say it aloud twice. A2 level. Adjective. The word is worth. Pronunciation, worth. Meaning, having a particular value in money. Worth. Example sentence. The company is worth millions. Worth. Example sentence. This old coin is worth $50. Worth. Example sentence. The investment is now worth more. Listen and repeat. Worth. Again. Worth. Say it aloud twice. A two-level. Noun. The word is exchange. Pronunciation, exchange. Meaning, the process of changing one currency or asset for another. Exchange. Example sentence. We exchanged euros for dollars. Exchange. Example sentence. The exchange rate is favorable today. Exchange. Example sentence. Stocks are traded on an exchange. Listen and repeat. Exchange. Again. Exchange. Say it aloud twice. A two-level. Noun. The word is currency. Pronunciation, currency. Meaning, the money used in a particular country. Currency. Example sentence. The euro is a major currency. Currency. Example sentence. This shop accepts foreign currency. Currency. Example sentence. Currency values change every day. Listen and repeat. Currency. Again. Currency. Say it aloud twice. A one-level. Noun. The word is dollar. Pronunciation, dollar. Meaning, the basic unit of money in the United States and some other countries. Dollar. Example sentence. The coffee costs $3. Dollar. Example sentence. The dollar strengthened today. Dollar. Example sentence. He saved $1,000. Listen and repeat. Dollar. Again. Dollar. Say it aloud twice. A one-level. Noun. The word is euro. Pronunciation, euro. Meaning, the common currency used by many European countries. Euro. Example sentence. The ticket costs 20 euros. Euro. Example sentence. She exchanged pounds for euros. Euro. Example sentence. The euro fell against the dollar. Listen and repeat. Euro. Again. Euro. Say it aloud twice. B1 level. Noun. The word is inflation. Pronunciation, inflation. Meaning, a general rise in prices over time. Inflation. Example sentence. Inflation makes everyday goods more expensive. Inflation. Example sentence. The central bank is trying to reduce inflation. Inflation. Example sentence. High inflation lowers purchasing power. Listen and repeat. Inflation. Again. Inflation. Say it aloud twice. A2 level. Noun. The word is economy. Pronunciation, economy. Meaning, the system of production, trade, and money in a country. Economy. Example sentence. The economy is growing slowly. Economy. Example sentence. Consumer spending supports the economy. Economy. Example sentence. A strong economy creates jobs. Listen and repeat. Economy. Again. Economy. Say it aloud twice. Quick quiz number 8. Which word matches this meaning? The basic unit of money in the United States and some other countries. A. Dollar. B. Equity. C. Capital. You have 4 seconds. Choose your answer. Quick quiz number 8. Answer. The correct answer is A. Dollar. Meaning, the basic unit of money in the United States and some other countries. B1 level. Adjective. The word is economic. Pronunciation, economic. Meaning, related to the economy, trade, or money. Economic. Example sentence. The report shows economic growth. Economic. Example sentence. Economic conditions affect businesses. Economic. Example sentence. They discussed the economic outlook. Listen and repeat. Economic. Again. Economic. Say it aloud twice. A2 level. Noun. The word is trade. Pronunciation, trade. Meaning, the buying and selling of goods, services, or investments. Trade. Example sentence. International trade creates opportunities. Trade. Example sentence. The two countries increased trade. Trade. Example sentence. He trades stocks online. Listen and repeat. Trade. Again. Trade. Say it aloud twice. A two-level. Noun. The word is demand. Pronunciation, demand. Meaning, the amount of a product or service people want to buy. Demand. Example sentence. Demand for the product is high. Demand. Example sentence. Prices rise when demand increases. Demand. Example sentence. The company cannot meet customer demand. Listen and repeat. Demand. Again. Demand. Say it aloud twice. A two-level. Noun. The word is supply. Pronunciation, supply. Meaning, the amount of a product or service available for sale. Supply. Example sentence. The supply of homes is limited. Supply. Example sentence. Low supply can push prices up. Supply. Example sentence. The factory increased supply. Listen and repeat. Supply. Again. Supply. Say it aloud twice. B1 level. Noun. The word is wealth. Pronunciation, wealth. Meaning, a large amount of money, property, or valuable assets. Wealth. Example sentence. She built wealth over many years. Wealth. Example sentence. Education can help people create wealth. Wealth. Example sentence. The family manages its wealth carefully. Listen and repeat. Wealth. Again. Wealth. Say it aloud twice. B1 level. Adjective. The word is wealthy. Pronunciation, wealthy. Meaning, having a lot of money or valuable property. Wealthy. Example sentence. He became wealthy through business. Wealthy. Example sentence. Wealthy investors often diversify. Wealthy. Example sentence. The area has many wealthy residents. Listen and repeat. Wealthy. Again. Wealthy. Say it aloud twice. A one level. Adjective. The word is poor. Pronunciation, poor. Meaning, having very little money or resources. Poor. Example sentence. The family was poor but hopeful. Poor. Example sentence. Poor financial planning can create problems. Poor. Example sentence. The company had a poor sales month. Listen and repeat. Poor. Again. Poor. Say it aloud twice. A one level. Adjective. The word is rich. Pronunciation, rich. Meaning, having a lot of money or valuable things. Rich. Example sentence. He wants to become rich. Rich. Example sentence. Rich countries have large economies. Rich. Example sentence. Getting rich usually takes time and discipline. Listen and repeat. Rich. Again. Rich. Say it aloud twice. A two-level. Noun. The word is insurance. Pronunciation, insurance. Meaning, a service that pays for certain losses in exchange for regular payments. Insurance. Example sentence. I have health insurance. Insurance. Example sentence. Car insurance is required in many places. Insurance. Example sentence. Insurance protects you from major financial loss. Listen and repeat. Insurance. Again. Insurance. Say it aloud twice. B1 level. Noun. The word is claim. Pronunciation, claim. Meaning, a formal request for payment from an insurance company. Claim. Example sentence. I filed an insurance claim. Claim. Example sentence. The company approved the claim. Claim. Example sentence. Please send the documents with your claim. Listen and repeat. Claim. Again. Claim. Say it aloud twice. Quick quiz number 9. Which word matches this meaning? Having very little money or resources. A. Trade. B. Economic. C. A poor. You have 4 seconds. Choose your answer. Quick quiz number 9. Answer. The correct answer is C. Poor. Meaning, having very little money or resources. B1 level. Noun. The word is premium. Pronunciation, premium. Meaning, the amount paid regularly for insurance. Premium. Example sentence. My insurance premium increased. Premium. Example sentence. A higher risk may mean a higher premium. Premium. Example sentence. She pays the premium every month. Listen and repeat. Premium. Again. Premium. Say it aloud twice. B1 level. Noun. The word is retirement. Pronunciation, retirement. Meaning, the period after a person stops working permanently. Retirement. Example sentence. I am saving for retirement. Retirement. Example sentence. He plans to retire at 65. Retirement. Example sentence. A retirement plan should start early. Listen and repeat. Retirement. Again. Retirement. Say it aloud twice. B1 level. Noun. The word is pension. Pronunciation, pension. Meaning, regular money paid after retirement. Pension. Example sentence. She receives a monthly pension. Pension. Example sentence. The company offers a pension plan. Pension. Example sentence. His pension covers basic living costs. Listen and repeat. Pension. Again. Pension. Say it aloud twice. B1 level. Noun. The word is mortgage. Pronunciation, mortgage. Meaning, a long-term loan used to buy property. Mortgage. Example sentence. They applied for a mortgage. Mortgage. Example sentence. The mortgage payment is due monthly. Mortgage. Example sentence. Higher rates make mortgages more expensive. Listen and repeat. Mortgage. Again. Mortgage. Say it aloud twice. A two-level. Noun. The word is property. Pronunciation, property. Meaning, land, buildings, or things owned by someone. Property. Example sentence. They bought a property near the city. Property. Example sentence. Property prices rose last year. Property. Example sentence. The company owns several properties. Listen and repeat. Property. Again. Property. Say it aloud twice. A two-level. Noun. The word is finance. Pronunciation, finance. Meaning, the management of money, credit, investments, and assets. Finance. Example sentence. She works in finance. Finance. Example sentence. Finance is important in every business. Finance. Example sentence. I watch videos to learn finance English. Listen and repeat. Finance. Again. Finance. Say it aloud twice. A two-level. Adjective. The word is financial. Pronunciation, financial. Meaning, related to money or the management of money. Financial. Example sentence. We reviewed the financial report. Financial. Example sentence. He has strong financial skills. Financial. Example sentence. The family is facing financial pressure. Listen and repeat. Financial. Again. Financial. Say it aloud twice. B1 level. Noun. The word is statement. Pronunciation, statement. Meaning, an official document showing financial activity or position. Statement. Example sentence. The bank sends a monthly statement. Statement. Example sentence. Please review your credit card statement. Statement. Example sentence. The financial statement shows the company's results. Listen and repeat. Statement. Again. Statement. Say it aloud twice. A two-level. Noun. The word is report. Pronunciation, report. Meaning, a document that presents information and results. Report. Example sentence. The annual report is ready. Report. Example sentence. We discussed the sales report. Report. Example sentence. The report includes financial data. Listen and repeat. Report. Again. Report. Say it aloud twice. B1 level. Noun. The word is forecast. Pronunciation, forecast. Meaning, a prediction of future financial results or conditions. Forecast. Example sentence. The sales forecast looks positive. Forecast. Example sentence. Our cash forecast covers 12 months. Forecast. Example sentence. The forecast may change if demand falls. Listen and repeat. Forecast. Again. Forecast. Say it aloud twice. Great work! Review this lesson tomorrow to remember more words. Subscribe for the next lesson. Word a Day English.